Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact spot you want the sticker. Clean with isopropyl alcohol and dry thoroughly so the adhesive bonds. Once done, measure and mark using painter's tape and a level to ensure straight placement. Peel only about 1/2 of the backing first and hang that exposed edge. This prevents misalignment. Make sure to work from the top edge and keep your hands near the applied area to control placement precisely. You continue by using a hinge technique. Apply painter's tape along the top edge to act as a pivot so you can reposition before committing. Once aligned, peel the rest of the backing incrementally and press outward with a squeegee or a stiff credit card at about 45 degrees to push air out. As you smooth, keep firm, overlapping strokes from center to edges. This prevents bubbles and ensures even adhesion. Make sure to keep tension on the sticker. To finish, press all edges firmly and run your squeegee along seams. Trim any excess with a sharp blade held at a low angle so you don't nick the refrigerator. Once done, inspect for small bubbles. If present, either lift the nearest edge and re-squeegee or puncture the bubble with a pin and smooth outward. Make sure to wait 24 to 48 hours before applying heavy magnets or washing aggressively so the adhesive cures. If adhesive fails, clean and reapply with heat from a hairdryer to react.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.